How to use bonus in WinBuzz. WinBuzz is an app that offers a wide range of mini games in one convenient app. This WinBuzz app is perfect for those who like to experience diverse and entertaining games without having to download many different apps and face the hassle of annoying ads. And in this video, we're going to talk about how to use bonus in WinBuzz. Open the WinBuzz app on your device. Navigate to the section or game where you want to use the bonus. Look for an option or button that says Use Bonus or something similar. Click on that option and you will likely be prompted to select which bonus you want to use if you have multiple bonuses available. Once you've selected the bonus, confirm your choice. The bonus should then be applied and you can enjoy its benefits while playing the game or using the feature. Easy, right? That is how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching.